Hi, welcome at Prolight Sound 2016 in Frankfurt. I'm Frank and I'm presenting you the new Focus Spot 3Z. The Focus Spot 3Z has a 100 watt white LED. It has 8 colors, a first gobo wheel with 7 fixed gobos and a second gobo wheel with 6 glass gobos, rotating glass gobos. It also includes 2 prisms, 1 6-facet circle prism and 1 6-facet flat prism. It features a motorized zoom from 15 to 20 degree and of course a motorized focus. This is perfect for the DJs and for smaller scenes and stages. More information at adj.com or americandj.eu.